friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the beauty fashion. Friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine. I'm doing well. Today's video is very great designing ideas. So friends, today I'm showing all her trendy and gorgeous collection of crochet poncho designs and shirt designs. So friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find another trendy ideas in our videos. So friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So friends, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Friends, I will try my best to share all new ideas, so please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching.